Today we're going to make macaroons. For this you're going to need some powdered sugar and some almond flour. Then we're going to sift it. Now let's mix some egg whites and oil. Now we're going to put it on top. Let's mix it a little bit. And we're going to put it in 2 bowls. Then we're going to add the coloring and mix it more. Let's put it inside our frosting bag. And we're going to make the macaroon shape. Now let's do the greens. It's just like your frosting macaroons. Now we're gonna make our chocolatey mixture. We're gonna melt some chocolate. We're gonna put in our macaroons. Thanks for watching.